Good morning. Yeah, stupid bunny rabbits. I don't like bunnies no more. No more bunnies. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like them. Bunny or bunnies got into my garden and ate half of my broccoli. And may start, I don't know, but I'm not happy right now. As you see, that's one of the tasks today. There's some tasks on the list for today. To get my feeders put in on all my hives, to get syrup mixed and in the hives, and mow my garden and figure out how the stupid rabbits are getting in there. Because, yeah, they ate on my broccoli and I'm not happy about it. It was just getting there. Oh, it's just becoming beautiful and little heads of broccoli starting. And then they don't even eat the whole stupid plant. Oh, we'll go over here. This one's got better stuff on it. As you can see, I'm a little grumpy about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get me a longer hose. And I made a little bit more modifications. I duct taped it. It helps cut down on some of the vibration noise a little bit. And also with garden hose, I don't have to run much pressure, so it doesn't generate as much. It's still really loud though. That's why I get a long hose, so that I don't have to have it sitting by the bees. I'll get it so I can set it over here by my workbench. Run a hose clear over there. I don't want to be anywhere near it when I'm filling syrup and have bees getting pissed off because of the sound. Oh, the other thing I need to do is check these things again. So that one had Lay and Mark Queen in it. We need to put her in a nuke box. Yeah, time to get stuff done. And then spend the afternoon, evening mowing my garden so I can figure out how they're getting in there. Between birds getting in my house and rabbits getting in my garden, well, I'm tired of this. Well, I have a lot of sticker bushes. But yeah, that's what we're doing. It's going to be a busy one. Now, luckily, I'll wait for a little bit with these, you know, putting them in, because I want the workforce out and about. Time to mow down here too. They made some nice bales across the field over there. Nice looking bales of hay. Glad I don't have to do that. That's hard work. Everybody's waking up, getting busy. I also discovered, I don't know if I've mentioned it, that the 2-gallon frame feeders do not fit in my cedar boxes very well, for my cedar boxes are tight. My corners ended up tighter than I wanted, so they ended up tight boxes. So I'll have to put the 1 gallons in them, but that's fine. But now that we've got the tank fixed up, we'll come down here and get the robbing station set up. I'm gonna let them go through and rob out any and all of my old frames that I have in the garage. Plus it'll let them sit out here in the direct sunlight, and that'll be good. Gonna have blackberries soon. I noticed some of the spots, they're already turning black. They're not ripe yet, but maybe the bumblebees are taking all of the honey. I actually saw a dead bumblebee underneath one of the hives. I don't remember where it was. I think it was one of the saw hives. Obviously a bumble was looking for a bite and they told them no. But yeah, that's what today's tasks are. Get the feeders put in, get the syrup mixing, and mow my garden and try to make it more bunny proof. And go through these. Now, I probably won't film it. Maybe a, this is what I did today after what I told you. And look at them again too. Might be just reabsorb those bees into a hive if they haven't, if it didn't work out well because of my forgetting to put a frame in there. We'll just reabsorb them. But I'm seeing activity on that one, so that's nice. We got good activity down here. Probably past time check that one. That one's been quite a while now. It was before the splits even. They got all of that old pollen cleaned out. That's kind of cool. Look at it. That's pretty neat. I didn't know if they would pull that out of there. Man, their corn is tall. Maybe I can get some corn on the cob from my neighbor. Yeah, I'll go see where they've been eating. Be right back. Yeah, see, there's one of the culprits. Oh, there's two of the culprits right there. And these are jumping rabbits. See, they jump. Buggers. What it is I've only got short chicken wire around everything. And I'm gonna have to get more chicken wire. So what I'm probably gonna go do and buy this morning, I'll buy a hose and chicken wire, like 500 feet of it. Yeah, see, I've only got short wire. Got, you know, ideally it was supposed to be that fencing, but that stuff got way too expensive and I haven't gone through the effort of pulling that off there yet. But yeah, it's time to mow. Come out here to water last night, freaking rabbit took off. And it's time to do more planting. Then mound the potatoes. That's why I gotta get the honeybees fed and get their feed in them and stuff, so I can come out here and spend a week's worth of work. Between rabbits and shrews. Check this out. This is more than mildly upsetting. Look what they're doing. They're digging underneath my... They got a freaking tunnel and they come out and eat crap. And that's what's... See right here. Look at that. Right there. Stupid little buggers. I don't know what to do about it. I picked some yellow zucchini and took them into my mom yesterday. some good blooms there. And see, that's what they did right here. It's very frustrating, and I don't know what to do about it. Eat the stuff before they do. I don't know. Nice pea pod right there. Tomatoes are doing pretty. Ooh, we got tomatoes going. Yeah. I gotta get out here and mow. Oh, there's another green pepper. Took in some peppers yesterday. Nice looking one. Yeah, these doing pretty good. Oh, they're kind of short. But yeah, I've only got the short fencing, and I've got to go around and make sure it's all up and tight, because there's some of them, it was only held on with zip ties, kind of, you know, like see right here, and the zip ties have broke, so some of the fencing is like right there. But yeah, these are freaking jumping rabbits. Stupid rabbits. Stay out of my garden. But yeah, come down here. These are all nice sparkly. Everything looked like that one right there. It was all just, oops, I'm gonna fall over and not watch where I'm walking. And see, they come in. And they, and, oh, I was upset. I said bad words. So I'm gonna come in through, mow all of this. Oh, there it was. There's a little bugger. Come here, dog. I don't know. Maybe it was a bird. Could have been a shrew. No, I'm not sure. It was bigger than a shrew. Probably a bird. It's okay. My dog will help me now. Got my guard dog by the gate and my hunting dog hunting. Except for he's not a hunting dog. He's a rabbit catching dog. But yeah, so I'm gonna come out and mow all this. Get it cleaned up. And then see about getting more fencing around everything, I guess. Haven't had any problem with it till now. Joy, just as soon as it's getting good for harvest, start having problems with rabbits. Rascally rabbits. Where's Elmer Fudd? We need him. Well, I got my workout cut out for me. It's gonna be fun to mow. You all have a blessed day. Bye.